Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial for you guys. Today I'm going to be using the brand new Colourpop She's a Rainbow palette, and it's a palette but it consists of several single shadows. So I'll show you guys the palette in the next coming clips, but if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So first things first, I'm just priming my eyelid, and I'm using this Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Swan, and I'm just applying that as a base, and I did set it with some translucent powder. And jumping right into the palette, I'm picking up this lime green shade with this fluffy brush, and I'm just sticking this color into my crease, and I'm just very messily applying this just right smack in the center of my crease. And once it's most saturated in the center, I just pick whatever's left over with my brush and just blend the outer edges. And then I'm picking up an angled brush and the dark royal blue shade in the palette, and I'm just starting to carve my crease. And I have more of an artistic approach to today's look, so I wanted it to be most pigmented on the inner corner and just fade outwards. So I grabbed this small tapered brush and some more of that same blue shade, and I'm just going in left and right motions, just diffusing that line, trying to get it as blended as possible. And then I personally feel like whenever I want a super pigmented blended look, I have to do those steps quite a few times. So blend it out with the small tapered brush and then go back in and redraw that line to give us back some of that definition that we lost from blending. And that way you slowly build color, but you're slowly blending it as well. And so yeah, I just repeated those two steps until I received the amount of pigmentation and the blend that I wanted for this look. Next, I grabbed this small angled brush and some of my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and I just carved the first half of my lid. And then I grabbed this small brush from Morphe, and I'm just patting over some translucent powder. And then I'm going into this body glitter right here by Colourpop. I'll leave the name of it in the description box, but I would not recommend using this for your eyes since it's not made for the eyes. But I just thought that it was so beautiful that I couldn't resist. I just wanted to put it on my eye, on my lid today, and I think that this shade just went really beautifully with all the other shades that we incorporated. But like I said before, it's not recommended to use on the eyes, so use at your own risk. And then I grabbed this fluffy brush and the lime green shade once again, and I'm just starting to apply that to our outer corner and just starting to build depth on the outer corner. So we're picking up that angled brush and that royal blue shade once again, and I'm starting to apply a liner with my shadow. And I'm a huge fan of smoky liner and just using eyeshadow as a liner. I think that it's so beautiful on the eyes. So after I applied that line, I'm just going in with this small tapered brush and just doing left and right motions until it's nice and blended. And then I just peeled off my tape. For my lashes today, I'm using my Shop Sophie Bella lashes in the style Bali. If you want to check out our lash company, the link to that is always down below as well. And then for my waterline, I'm using this eye pencil by Urban Decay in the shade Double Life, which is one of my favorites. And then for our lower lash line, I'm just going to be using the same two shades that we applied in the crease up top. So first the lime green shade, and then the royal blue shade with this angled brush, and then of course blending the two together. And then for my mascara, I'm using my Mad Lash mascara by The Balm, which is one of my favorites for my lower lashes. And then to finish off this look, I just applied my Pixi Beauty highlight to my inner corner. And then for my brow bone, for my brow, I just ran my spoolie through some bar soap and then ran it through my brow. And this is the finished look, you guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you watched it to the very end, thank you so much for all of your support. And as always, guys, if you want to be entered for our monthly giveaway, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, and then comment down below saying done. And please only enter if you are in the US, because our giveaways are US only for now. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!